This is how you make karaage, the Japanese version of fried chicken. Is this recipe worth making? Let's find out. Karaage has won the hearts of food lovers around the world. It's crispy outside and juicy inside. Today I'm going to show you a recipe for making delicious karaage. You will need a few simple ingredients and follow the easy steps. We will cover them all. From making the marinade to choosing and slicing the meat to coating and frying. Here is how you make it. Start with marinade. 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, half of a teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of sugar, grate 2 cloves of garlic. If you like this video, please share and leave me a comment. 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger, half of a small onion. If you want to save time, blend the garlic, ginger and onion in a blender. Mix all the ingredients and set marinade aside. For the karaage, we use chicken thighs. This is the juiciest part of the chicken. Remove the excess fat from the chicken thighs. It won't render and will stay in the karaage. You don't want that. The original recipe uses chicken thighs with skin, but it's not necessary. For chicken thighs, always check if there are any bones left in the meat. If so, remove them. I have already bought boneless thighs from the butcher, but if you want to show how to debone chicken thighs, leave me a comment and I will make a video for you. Cut the chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces, trying to keep all the pieces similar size. Place all the pieces of meat in a bowl with the marinade and mix everything. Marinate for at least 30 minutes, overnight is best. Remove the marinated chicken thighs from the fridge for at least 1 hour before frying them. Add 1 medium egg to the marinated chicken thighs and mix. As a side dish, we will serve a salad of white cabbage. 1/4 of a small head of cabbage will do for my needs. Wrap the salad you don't need in kitchen foil, it will last longer in the fridge. Cut out the broom and save it for the broth. Cut the cabbage. If you have mandolin, use it. It will save you a lot of work and time. Otherwise, use a knife and slice the cabbage finely. If the cabbage is too tall, divide it into several parts. This will make it easier to cut. Put the cabbage in a bowl and soak in water for a few minutes. After about 10 minutes, drain the cabbage and squeeze out the water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Massage everything with your hands and let salad chill in the fridge. Put 2 tablespoons of starch on your plate and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Take a whisk and mix. Prepare your wrapping line, marinated meat, flour with starch and baking tray with a rack. Take each piece of meat, shake off the marinade and coat it in a mixture of flour and starch. Place the wrapped pieces on a rack. Pour frying oil into the pan in a layer that is 1 to 2 centimeters thick. I have prepared a test for you. I wrapped part of the meat the classic way and the rest I mixed with flour and starch. Which process will work better? First, start with the classic method of wrapping. Place the pieces of meat on the pan individually and always place them away from you so that you don't get splashed with hot oil. We are frying at 180 Celsius. Fry for 3 minutes on each side or until golden brown. Second, a mixture of flour and starch is added to the meat with the marinade, which forms the batter. Fry for 3 minutes on each side or until golden brown. How did we do? On the right is the classic wrapping method and on the left is the batter method. Because I didn't fry the chicken twice to get the extra crunch, the result is essentially the same. At first look, the difference between the classic wrapping and the batter wrapping is obvious. Of course, there is no difference in taste. If you want to make extra crispy chicken fried twice, I recommended the first method if you are going to enjoy the taste of Japanese cuisine but don't have the time to spend half a day. Consider wrapping the method in butter. Would you cook karaage? If yes, what is your experience? Share it with us in the comments. Karaage is served with the crisp white cabbage salad we prepared earlier and with a few slices of lemon. The karaage is not extra crispy, but that's because I didn't fry the meat twice. Thanks to the marinating and the use of chicken thighs, the karaage is beautiful, tender and juicy. If you have made it this far, please let me know in the comments what you think I can improve to make better videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.